Hello students, let's continue with polynomials, exercise 2.4, section 2, which is based on factorization of polynomials. Let's read the question. Use the factor theorem to determine whether gx is a factor of px in each of the following cases. I have listed px here and gx here. So gx is nothing but the divisor and px is the dividend. Now in order for gx to divide px, we are going to substitute the 0 of gx into px. That is, let us go ahead and solve it. The first one, 0 of gx that is 0 of x plus 1. How are you going to find it out? X plus 1 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to minus 1, right? So the 0 of x plus 1, that is the 0 of gx, is minus 1, right? I am just erasing this section. Now what I am going to do is substitute minus 1 into px, that is x is equal to minus 1 is going to be substituted in this polynomial. So p of minus 1 is equal to, or let's say I'll just write the polynomial first so that substitution will be easy. P of x is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. Okay. So I am going to substitute minus 1 in the place of x, right? So p of minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1 the whole cube plus minus 1 the whole square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. Right, now I have it substituted, so I am going to go ahead and solve this expression. 2 minus 1 cube will be minus 1 plus minus 1 square is 1 minus 2 into minus 1. So minus into minus gives me plus. So this will become 2 into 1 minus 2 into minus 1 is 2 minus 1, right? 2 into minus 1. So plus 2 into minus 1 gives me minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1, which is equal to minus 2 plus 2 cancel out, plus 1 minus 1 cancel out. This is equal to 0. Now since p of minus 1 is equal to 0, we can clearly say that gx is a factor of px by the factor theorem. Take a look. Let's go ahead and solve the second question. Again we are going to follow the same concept, that is substitute the 0 of gx into px to find the remainder, and if the remainder is 0 then we can clearly say that gx is a factor of px, otherwise not. So 0 of gx in this case is x plus 2. So roughly you can find it out, x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. So 0 of x plus 2 is minus 2, right? I am erasing this section, but while you solve your problems during the exams, make sure you have a rough working column towards the right or towards the left or towards the bottom of the page. This will give a good impression on your examiner, plus the examiner will be sure that you are not copying from somewhere else because you are working out. I am erasing because we do not have much space and it gets all jumbled up. So px is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, right? Substitute x is equal to minus 2 in this expression. So p of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 the whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 the whole square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1. Let's solve this further. Minus 2 cube. Cube of a negative number is going to be negative and 2 cube is 8. So minus 8 plus 3 minus 2 square is going to give me 4. Now plus 3 into minus 2, plus into minus is minus, 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1, right? So I have minus 8 plus 3 into plus 4 gives me 12 minus 6 plus 1. Let's solve this. Similar terms, I am going to add them together. Minus 8 minus 6 is minus 14, right? And 12 plus 1 plus 13. Different signs, I am going to subtract and take the sign of the greater number. So minus 14 plus 13 is minus 1. Because I have subtracted these two terms and taken the sign of the greater number, which is 14, which is negative. So P of minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Now this is not equal to 0. That is, we have a remainder which is not equal to 0. That is why x plus 2 will not divide this expression or this polynomial successfully. Therefore, x plus 2 is not a factor of Px. That is, Gx is not a factor of Px. Please take a look. Now let's go ahead and solve the third question. What is Gx? It is x minus 3. I hope you are getting a hang of solving these questions. So what is the 0 of x minus 3? Let's quickly find it out. X minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Why 3? Because I am bringing minus 3 on the right hand side from the left hand side. Therefore, the sign is changing. So, x is equal to 3. Therefore, the 0 of x minus 3 is 3. I have my polynomial Px. Px is x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. I am going to go ahead and substitute x is equal to 3 in this polynomial. Alright. So, P of 3 is going to give me 3 cube minus 4 into 3 square plus 3 plus 6. Right? 3 cube is 27 minus 4. 3 square is 9 plus 3 plus 6. Right? So, 27 minus 4 into plus 9 is 4 9s are 36 minus 36 plus 3 plus 6. Okay. So, I am going to take the like terms and add them. 27 is positive, 3 is positive and 6 is positive. So, 6 plus 3 is 9, 27 plus 9 is 36 and I will write down minus 36 as it is. This cancels out, plus 36 and minus 36, so you get 0. Therefore, P of 3 is 0. Thus, we have the remainder is 0 when Gx divides Px. Therefore, Gx is a factor of Px because it divides Px successfully. That is, x minus 3 is a factor of x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. Please take a look. With this, we wind up the section 2 of exercise 2.4. We will continue with the rest of the exercise in the next class. Thank you.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.